Hey guys, it's B Nasty here. Operation Stormy Weather America, spring 1920. Okay, I'm keeping game straight is not going great. For American technology, I hit armor, land doctrine, and wartime economy, I think. So missed on infantry, missed on artillery, missed on bombers. For free Diplo, gonna roll for Cuba. I'm gonna swap out red for lucky blue dice. Need a 1 or 2. Nope. For purchases, America had $56. I'm gonna spend all 56. They're gonna rush a heavy cruiser for 10. Destroyers 6, so that's 16, and 8 more is 24. I'm gonna build a strategic bomber for 12. That's 36, plus another 8 for air transport is 44. That is 48 for the Russian AAA. And then I'm going to rush a major dockyard for another 8, which will be put me right at 56. And then the light armor and motorcycle were free because of the hitting armor stage 4. For combat moves, I think I was still kind of crunching some math, but I don't know, man. I don't really care anymore. I'm just gonna go for it. So the 5th Fleet minus the damaged heavy battleship. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and they're gonna drop, hopefully, these guys into the undefended Honshu, and then these guys will join that fleet, I suppose, and he'll be there with these 2 guys. Yeah, and then the transport's going to take this airborne and drop them off in the Bahamas, and then land back where he currently is. Yeah, I do think that's it for combat moves. So take this and this to the battle board, I suppose. I don't believe that you're gonna get first strike. Because of the destroyers, but I don't know. Yeah, okay, so they do negate your first strike. So then for first strikes, I just have 1 and a 3 because that's a TBD and not a destroyer. And it misses. Sorry, just 1 second here. Three, 4 of those. 2 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 2 of those. 1 of those, and 1 of those. I already rolled that guy. Purple's at a 10. Nothing. 1, 2, 3 here. 4, 5. That'd be a 6 and a 7, which I think is everything. So that's 6. So you've got 1 left at 2 and 3 left at 5. Ooh, your destroyer, pardon me, cruisers came up pretty clutch. Okay. I'll take 2 hits to my and I will take 1 hit to this guy. And that'll be my hits. Okay. Okay. Okay, and oops, put the planes back. So then the transports are able to complete their whatever we call it, continuing mission. So that'll put the Americans in Honshu. Which is $2. Okay, I think that is it. So let's go 1, 2, 3. He's just going to move 1 here and go import. Over yonder, I'm just going to rail and rail those guys. Yeah. And I'm going to rail him over there, and I've got improved logistics, so I'll rail him over there as well. Nice. Okay, and I'm just going to place my dudes, and that'll be that. Dockyard I'm going to build here. You guys will come back to this side of the map. Okay, I get to roll die 6 for wartime income. So a 5er. So 63. 63. Alrighty. I think that's it for me. Adios.